growth.
I'll come to some of these schemes again in a moment, but if all was so rosy, why have you changed 81 of your MLAs? If all was 151 out of 175, you had a huge victory in 2019. If all is so rosy, if you've changed Andhra Pradesh in the last 5 years, why have you had to change 81 MLAs? Is it local anti-incumbency? Do you concede that maybe the MLAs have not performed? You've changed more than 50% of your MPs as well. Have they not performed?
So basically what Rajdeep is, any political party does their own survey. See, at the topmost level, the anti-incumbency in the government, that is on me. See, that is the driving force today. There is no anti-incumbency in the government or the chief minister. So that's clearly visible, and that's what driving. So when that were to be the reality, there would be some certain element of anti-incumbency on certain number of MLAs, a certain number of people.
But as high as 81 means you've changed more than
81
50% of your MLAs have either been switched, their constituency is switched, or you've replaced them.
That means I'm so confident about myself.
So you're asking for votes in your name?
Yes.
You're asking for votes in the name of Jagan Mohan Reddy,
yes,
not necessarily in the names of the MLAs.
Wherever I go, there's only one thing that I ask. This election is not about electing MLAs or MPs. This election is about your future. If you think your future is secured with Jagan, if you think your future would take a better turn with Jagan there, then vote for YSRCP. In fact, we are the only party who says that if you have benefited, if you think there is good governance, only then you vote.
But then it becomes, your critics will say, a one-man show. You're asking for votes in the name of only one man, Jagan Mohan Reddy, because he decides which MLA to drop, which MP to drop. All roads lead to Jagan. Is that not a high-risk formula that you're taking for a regional party?
It's not the question of risk that you're taking, right? It is a question of, it is the governance that you have given. And because I have delivered, people have so much of faith in me. So what is wrong in saying that yes, the government has delivered. And since the government has delivered, and it was only Jagan that was there at the top of at the helm of the affairs, who actually delivered. So if you want this to continue, it's very important that all the MLAs and MPs be elected.